Hi friends, today we're going to make a design on Canva, so stay tuned. I will be using my phone app. So first we want to hit the plus sign. That means that you're going to create a new design. I want to use a custom size. So I select the custom size and then I type out the dimensions I want to use. I went with 895 by 395 inches, which is usually the size of a Libby cup. When you select specific size, Canva is going to give you templates. We are not going to use those templates. We're going to go with a custom one. Once we have our custom design, you will have to go to elements if you are going to look if you're looking for an image. I'm looking for a camera with flowers or camera and flowers. I have learned that the more specific you are with these search bars, the more specific the result you will get. So if you're looking for a blue camera, you type blue camera with pink flowers, or a blue retro camera. The more specific you are, the better the result you will get. Once I have my camera, I just with the fingers, because I'm using the phone, I sized the camera and I centered it. Now I am going to add another element, so I'm going to type focus, the word focus, and I'm going to select the one that I like. You see there are some images that have the word pro. Those images are for Canva subscribers, but you can use every single image that is for free, and you can edit them and you can work with them and you can use them for your design. I am going to look for focus on the good. I didn't think I was going to find a design that I liked, but there is one already done, so we are going to use that one and I'm going to add it to the Canva. I am going to match it as well to the colors of the camera, and once we have these, we're done. To change the colors of your elements, you just have to go to the small square that says colors if you're on the phone. And if you are on your computer, then you just have to go to the top left side of your screen, and there you can change the colors of the elements on your design. You will see the system is going to give you also suggestions. They're going to upload the picture that you have on the canvas, and it's going to give you the opportunity to color match your elements. Now I'm going to download my design and print it. I'm going to use teckwrapcraft Sublimation transfer paper, and you can find this paper on their website, teckwrapcraft.com. If you make a design on Canva, you can make that design for t-shirts, for totes, for mugs, and you can select where you're going to be printing your design. So I am going to use my one Libby cup just to show you how it looks, but this tutorial was mainly to share with you how to use Canva on your phone. You can also find these cups on teckwrapcraft.com, and remember that practice made perfect. So keep trying, don't give up, and this is how it looks. Thank you so much for watching. This was Arlene from This Is a House. don't forget to subscribe to this channel.